This is going to be a super quick tutorial on how to bridge to Shibarium. First of all, in your favorites, I would save shibarium.shib.io through your MetaMask wallet browser. There are two options, bridge and stake. You want to pick bridge, and then bridge again, and then select your token. Here I'm wanting to select bone, so I'm going to click the top one. It will autofill that amount, and if you're okay with that, click transfer. You can also change the amount and continue. There will be two transactions. You need to approve first and then transfer, so click continue. You'll see the gas fee come up, and then click continue. This is where the funds are actually moving across the bridge. And transaction complete. If this is your first time to bridge, you'll have to add the RPC. So add chain.shibrpc.com to your favorites, and then click add to MetaMask. It will ask you if you want to switch networks, so do that. And then you'll go back to your wallet. Shibarium is now active and you have your correct balance. Congrats!